Good morning, students. So this is a class for BSc third sem. So in the last class we have solved problems on homogeneous differential equations. So today we solve some other problems on homogeneous differential equations. Now see, in this, the first problem is solve x tan y by x minus y sec square y by x dx plus x sec square y by x dy equal to 0. So this is the problem. Now first we have to calculate dy by dx from this expression. So this gives dy by dx is equal to minus x tan y by x minus y sec square y by x whole divided by x sec square y by x. Next, in this put y is equal to vx. So which means again differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Then with this the equation 2 becomes now in this equation substitute dy by dx, substitute y is equal to vx, okay, and then we get v plus x dv by dx equal to minus x into tan v minus y sec square v divided by x sec square v. That is x dv by dx equal to, then send this v to here, minus x tan v minus minus becomes plus y sec square v divided by x sec square v, then minus v. Now this gives x dv by dx equal to x sec square v is LCM, then simplify this, you will get this equation. Then again x dv by dx is equal to minus x into, here y is there, again you have to substitute y as vx. So y is equal to vx, so put y is equal to vx here, then it gives vx sec square v minus vx sec square v, again this plus vx sec square v minus vx sec square v get cancelled, and we get x dv by dx is equal to minus x tan v divided by x sec square v, again x get cancelled. So we get x dv by dx equal to tan v by sec square v. Okay, so then now making variable separable, which gives x dv by dx, making variable separable method, then what we get, sec square v minus sec square v by tan v dv is equal to dx by x. Now again integrating, so now here see, this integration of this term is numerator is the differential of the denominator, so therefore its integration is log denominator, so minus log of tan v is equal to, this is integration of 1 by x is log x plus integration constant, that is plus log c. Or simplify this term, take this term minus log tan v to here, so log tan v plus log x plus log c is equal to 0. So now we know that log m plus log n plus log q is equal to log m n q. Okay, so therefore it gives log tan v plus log x plus log c is equal to tan v log tan v log tan v x c equal to 0, or c x tan v is equal to, this log goes to here and it becomes e to the power of 0, that is equal to 1. So c x tan v is equal to 1 is the solution of this problem. Okay, so similarly we have another problem, that is solve 1 plus e raised to x by y dx plus e raised to x by y into bracket 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. Now in this case what we do here, here we substitute x is equal to vy. Okay, in the last two problems we have substituted y is equal to vx. Now in this case we substitute x is equal to vy, then differentiating with respect to y, dx by dy is equal to v plus differentiation of y with respect to y is 1 plus y into dv by dy. So which implies dx is equal to, cross multiply dy here, which gives v dy plus y into dv, dy get cancelled, so y into dv. Now with this the equation 1 becomes, now wherever x is there substitute vy, and wherever dx is there substitute this value. Okay, you have calculated dx, this is dx, substitute this dx here and put x equal to vy here, then which gives 1 plus e raised to v, then into bracket dx means v dy plus y dv plus e raised to v into bracket 1 minus x by y is v y dy equal to 0. So which is equal to, now multiply these two terms, which gives v dy plus y dy y dv, multiply 1 into v dy plus 1 into y dv plus e raised to v into v dy plus e raised to v into y dv plus multiply also this one e raised to v into 1 e raised to v dy, then minus v into e raised to v into e raised to v dy equal to 0. Okay, so now after simplifying, then some terms will be cancelled, and here in this case take dy term common, wherever dy is there take dy term common and we get this one, and again here some terms will be cancelled. Okay, and similarly here take y dv common, okay, y dv common, and we get 1 plus e raised to v. So now in this case this becomes v plus e raised to v dy plus 1 plus e raised to v into y dv equal to 0. Now in this case, now see here, this is now making variable separable. Making variable separable means what we do? We collect v dv one side and y dy another side. So after making variable separable method, so here we get now see here, making variable separable method, we get dy by y plus 1 plus e raised to v divided by v plus e raised to v dv equal to 0. Now integrating, we get integration of 1 by y dy is log y, plus here numerator is the differential of the denominator. When you differentiate the denominator, we will get 1 plus e raised to v, which is in numerator. So therefore again it is integration is log 1 plus e raised to v is equal to integration constant log c. So this is log m plus log n, so log mn is equal to log c. So both sides log cancels, so y into 1 plus e raised to v is equal to c. Now resubstituting v is equal to x by y. Okay, so here putting v is equal to x by y, which gives y is equal to 1 plus e raised to, v means x by y, e raised to x by y is equal to c. So this is the solution of the given problem. Okay, so here we end this session with this problem, and we'll continue in the next class. Okay, thank you.